Today we're going to be showing you guys how to mount the Esstac mag pouch onto your belt using the Blue Alpha MOLLE straps. So the big difference you need to realize compared to the Esstac, compared to the Blue Alpha MOLLE pouches, is that the Blue Alpha MOLLE pouches have laser cut slots every ½ inch, where the Esstac has slots every 1 inch. So the installation is very similar, but there's a couple key differences you need to be aware of. So to start, we're going to be showing you how to mount the Blue Alpha mag pouch onto a belt using our MOLLE straps. First, you're going to take the MOLLE straps with the 3 slots facing you. You're going to slip the MOLLE strap up underneath the MOLLE webbing. And then from there, you're going to take your mag pouch. You're going to put the tab underneath the first slot, pulling the tab tight, and then pushing the strap down. From there, you're just going to weave the MOLLE strap back and forth between the rifle mag pouch and the belt until you're complete. Now for the Esstac mag pouch, the only thing that you're really going to need to do different is you're going to need to mount the strap to the pouch first rather than the belt. Because once again, of the 1 inch spacing, you don't have as much versatility as the Blue Alpha mag pouch, so that's why this step's a little bit different. So to start, you're going to take the Blue Alpha MOLLE strap, pass it through the first 2 rows of webbing, and then you're going to start attaching it to the belt. So on the Blue Alpha belt, we start from the bottom. When attaching the Esstacs, you're going to start from the top. So same thing, once it's mounted, you're going to pass it underneath. And then from here, you're going to push it back in to the first MOLLE strap. And then you're going to continue to weave it back and forth from the pouch to the belt until it's complete. So as you can see, both pouches are able to be mounted using the Blue Alpha MOLLE straps. There's just, like I said, a few differences that are going to be noted with the Esstacs. If you have any questions, reach out to customer service and head over to bluealphabelts.com now and pick you up some of the MOLLE straps.